I'm sitting here in front of a waterhole that we created. We built this so that the wildlife live in this rainforest remnant could drink the water and increase their chances of survival. But our scientists are now telling us that even this water is undrinkable. That in fact all the rainwater in the world has now been polluted with PFAS chemicals from our industrial processes. That is a reality that I'm not willing to accept, and I hope that you're not either. That there's no policy, that there's no lifestyle, no product that can justify having to tell future children that they can no longer drink the rainwater that falls from the sky. In recent history, we've made strong movements in the right direction to cease or eliminate the usage of POPs, CFCs, HFCs. Up to 197 countries have come together on each of those topics to agree that it's time to stop with the chemicals that really hurt us and hurt our planet. And this issue must be tackled quickly and decisively because the levels of these chemicals is critical, it's everywhere, and it has a degree of biopersistence that will last a little while, even if we do the right things. Luckily, a variety of plants easily absorb these chemicals, a plethora of chemicals, and they can hold on to them, sequester them, and break them down naturally over time. So, here's the equation. We reduce the production of PFAS chemicals worldwide. We increase the ratio of natural forested areas around the world. That will reduce the ratio of this stuff that's raining into our crops and being absorbed into the leaf matter and then we're eating. Then over time, our levels can come down naturally and it will break down in our bodies. And then we can pass on less of this stuff to our kids. Reforest Now planted 300,000 rainforest trees in 3 years. But in that time, we could have done 1 million trees. Why? Because most of the days, on most of the weeks, we weren't planting trees at all because it all relies on funding. And in that time, we've also knocked back over 200 job applicants. People that wanted to come somewhere where they could do the right thing by the planet and make change. And all it takes is to have the funding to send those people out to work, to do the work that must be done for our planet, that must be done now. We have an upcoming project starting in the next 2 weeks. It's called Banyula Many Trees. It will be our magnum opus to date with another 300,000 rainforest trees to be planted in just one location along 7 kilometres of the Wilsons River near Byron Bay. Past donors, future donors, we urge you to come together on this enormous project, this significant project with us, and plant another 300,000 trees in the next 9 months. Thank you for watching this video, and at the end there's a link on how you can donate towards Banyula Many Trees. Thank you.